Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It is about 3:30 in the a.m. on Friday morning, April 11th, 2025. Uh, there are some things you should not do in life, and falling asleep in a low back chair, yeah, is one of them. It's not comfortable. It does horrible things to your back and neck. But hey, everything's a choice. Sometimes you make bad ones. Get tired enough that you just sit down and fall asleep is a bad choice. Neck sore. I'm trying to work the kinks out. Anyway, uh, got some bunch more masking to do for finishing up the prep to get the spray gun going. And yeah, I'm going to give it a last run with the vacuum cleaner to keep the overspray from sticking all the dust to the floor right quick. So another bit. But I'm thinking I'm going to be able to get that, and maybe partway down the hallway, we'll see. Means I got to tape the doors 3 extra. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Then I got to start running stuff outside for, oh yeah, a garage sale today and tomorrow and part of Sunday. I'm going to be busy. Could be worse. Anyway, I heard they had a bit of another eruption in the Philippines of a volcano. Those things, there's a lot of them over there, volcanoes. And apparently they're having some eruptions. Yeah, it happens. What folks don't seem to understand is, one volcano putting out just whatever it puts out probably puts out more for a small one, even. Probably puts out more carbon dioxide than man produces in a year. And they do that every day they blow. Spew out a bunch of stuff. That's about a year's worth of carbon dioxide. Yeah. But hey, it's all because of man made that we have problems. It's not. Our sun causes the, planet to heat and cool. Magnetics from the sun cause, earthquakes. Cause, oh, things like plates to shake around. Causes volcanoes. Strange thought. Yeah. I'm not sure I'm ready to start today, but I done finished my coffee. I'm getting this out. Gonna be 4 o'clock to whenever today. I don't really like having to stay awake after my normal bedtime, but I'll be up until probably 6 or 7 tonight, depending on how much traffic I get coming through for my garage sale. Um, in the afternoon, probably after about 3 or so, when traffic picks up, uh, I'm probably going to have some traffic. Such fun stuff. But then Saturday, Sunday, mornings toward noon. So I'm going to have some busy time. Uh, Still trying to work the kinks out. Short chairs. And this makes me wonder, short chair, short chair, yeah, not good for staying in or sleeping in. And I'm having to think about going over and flying for 14 and a half, 15 hours, and then having a 3 hour plus break and then another 4 hour flight, something like that. Yay. But I am so ready to go do this. I really want to get out of here and get over there. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. My retirement, I want to get it going good and enjoy life. Don't get me wrong, I enjoy here, friends, family, and just my regular wants and dues. But to have more time to do what I wants and do's instead of what I need to's, yeah, I'm really tired of all the need to's. I want more of the want to's. Feel like it's because I got a stray hair. Yeah, I'm ready to go and be a beach bum. Do what I want to do when I want to do it because I don't have any I have to do it. Or I have so few have to do it that, oh yeah, I have more time to do the I want to do it. So, yeah, definitely ready for retirement. And while I'm doing all this, I've got somebody supposed to come by today to look at the house sometime around 9. So, yay. Another bid, see what they offer. I don't know about you, but I'm hoping it's a good one. We'll see. So far, these most of them are the what do you call them? Cash for clunkers people. You know, wanting to get it as cheap as they can, so they can make big bucks. You know, they would love this house because it's not really got anything wrong with it other than it needs a good paint job inside and out, a little TLC, and it's good to go. So yeah, but they want to say it's they look at it and say, oh, it's fell down. Yeah, I'm not really too hip with these people. They're stupid. They're robbing people. I'm gonna take the bid. I'll see what they offer. Uh, yeah, most of them just send them down the road. I'll know in a few minutes after talking to the guy. So we'll see. Anyway, that'll be happening this morning, getting set up for this. So I got to get my butt moving. Because, hey, if it ain't moving, it ain't doing something. And if it ain't doing something, yeah, you're probably dead. I don't want to be dead. Anyway, I'm tired. I woke up tired. Coffee didn't help. Might be all that damn up and down the ladder painting yesterday. Because my feet hurt. They're really going to be sore by the end of the day, but hey, it is what it is. And I'm going to be as busy as I can because, hey, I'm working for my retirement. And I'm really wanting my retirement now. So close, so close. Less than 4 months. Anyway, I hope you have a blessed day. I'm Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. Yeah, I'm not afraid of the plate. Anyway, later blessings and bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.